Mastering artificial intelligence applications. AI success hinges on defining the unmeasurable. How will we define and achieve the primary objectives for implementing artificial intelligence in our operations? And what key performance indicators will we establish to measure the success of these efforts and ensure operational excellence? As I sat in the conference room, surrounded by leaders from various departments, the question hung in the air like a challenge: how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to drive operational excellence in our organization. It was a daunting task, but I knew we had to tackle it head-on. My mind flashed back to a conversation I had with a colleague who shared an anecdote about a manufacturing company that had successfully implemented AI-powered predictive maintenance. The results were staggering: a 30% reduction in downtime and a 25% increase in overall equipment effectiveness. I wondered, what if we could achieve similar results? The first step was to identify the primary objectives for our AI implementation. I scribbled notes furiously as our team brainstormed, and 3 key areas emerged: streamlining process automation, enhancing supply chain visibility, and improving customer service. These objectives would serve as our North Star, guiding our efforts and measuring our success. Next, we had to define the key performance indicators, KPIs, that would help us gauge progress. For process automation, we set targets for reducing manual errors and increasing throughput. For supply chain visibility, we focused on improved forecasting accuracy and reduced inventory costs. And for customer service, we aimed to increase first call resolution rates and reduce response times. As we delved deeper, I realized that operational excellence went beyond mere numbers. It was about creating a culture of continuous improvement, where every team member felt empowered to contribute to the AI-driven transformation. We needed to cultivate a sense of ownership and accountability, encouraging our people to think creatively and experiment boldly. I recalled a meeting with our IT department, where we discussed the importance of data quality and integrity. One team member, a quiet but fiercely dedicated engineer, piped up with a suggestion for implementing data validation protocols. Her idea was adopted, and it significantly improved the accuracy of our AI-powered insights. That moment stuck with me. It showed how empowering individuals could lead to collective success. To ensure widespread adoption, we established a network of AI champions who would serve as ambassadors and trainers for their respective departments. These champions would facilitate workshops, provide hands-on training, and offer ongoing support to their colleagues. As I observed these sessions, I witnessed a palpable shift in mindset. Our people began to view AI as a collaborative partner, rather than a threatening force. Throughout the journey, we faced setbacks and surprises. A critical algorithmic error forced us to re-examine our approach, but it also led to a breakthrough in predictive modeling. I felt a mix of anxiety and excitement as we navigated these twists and turns, but our collective resolve remained unwavering. As the months passed, our KPIs began to tell a story of their own. Process automation reduced manual errors by 22%, supply chain visibility improved forecasting accuracy by 18%, and customer service response times dropped by 35%. These numbers represented more than just efficiency gains. They symbolized a cultural transformation, where AI had become an integral part of our operational DNA. Looking back, I realized that achieving operational excellence with AI was not solely about technology. It was about cultivating a shared ambition, fostering emotional intelligence, and embracing cultural understanding. By empowering our people, and by pairing human ingenuity with AI-driven insights, we had created a formula for success that would propel us forward for years to come. To define and achieve the primary objectives for implementing artificial intelligence, AI, in operations and ensure operational excellence, it is essential to establish a clear roadmap that outlines the key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of AI initiatives. Here's a comprehensive approach to achieve operational excellence through AI implementation. Primary objectives. 1. Process optimization. Implement AI to automate and streamline operational processes, reducing manual intervention and increasing efficiency. 2. Improved decision-making. Leverage AI-driven insights to enable data-driven decision-making, reducing reliance on intuition and enhancing overall decision quality. 3. Enhanced customer experience. Utilize AI to personalize customer interactions, improve response times, and increase customer satisfaction. 4. Predictive maintenance. Implement AI-powered predictive maintenance to reduce downtime, improve asset utilization, and minimize maintenance costs. 5. Supply chain optimization. Apply AI to optimize supply chain operations, including demand forecasting, inventory management, and logistics optimization. Key performance indicators, KPIs. 1. Process automation rate. Measure the percentage of operational processes automated through AI implementation. 2. Cycle time reduction. Track the reduction in process cycle times as a result of AI-driven automation. 3. Decision-making accuracy. Monitor the accuracy of AI-driven decisions compared to manual decision-making. 4. Customer satisfaction ratings. Measure customer satisfaction ratings through surveys, Net Promoter Score, NPS, or other metrics. 5. Mean time between failures, MTBF. Track the increase in MTBF as a result of AI-powered predictive maintenance. 6. Supply chain cost savings. Calculate the cost savings achieved through AI-driven supply chain optimization. Implementation roadmap. Phase 1. Planning and assessment, weeks 1 to 4. 1. Conduct a thorough assessment of operational processes to identify areas ripe for AI implementation. 2. Define primary objectives and KPIs for each operational area. 3. Establish a cross-functional team to oversee AI implementation and ensure operational excellence. Phase 2. Data preparation and integration, weeks 5 to 12. 1. Collect and integrate relevant data from various sources, including IoT devices, ERP systems, and CRM platforms. 2. Develop data governance policies to ensure data quality, security, and integrity. 3. Prepare data for AI model training and deployment. Phase 3. AI model development and deployment, weeks 13 to 24. 1. Develop and train AI models using machine learning and deep learning algorithms. 2. Deploy AI models in production environments, ensuring seamless integration with existing systems. 3. Conduct A/B testing to validate AI model performance and iterate on improvements. Phase 4. Monitoring and evaluation, after week 24. 1. Establish a monitoring framework to track KPIs and assess AI implementation effectiveness. 2. Conduct regular reviews to evaluate AI model performance, identify areas for improvement, and refine decision-making processes. 3. Continuously update and refine AI models to maintain operational excellence. Change management and training. 1. Develop a comprehensive change management plan to ensure a smooth transition to AI-driven operations. 2. Provide training and development programs for employees to acquire skills necessary for AI-driven operations. 3. Foster a culture of innovation and continuous improvement, encouraging employees to suggest AI-driven process improvements. Governance and risk management. 1. Establish an AI governance framework to ensure accountability, transparency, and compliance with regulations. 2. Develop risk management strategies to address potential biases, security threats, and ethics concerns. 3. Conduct regular audits to ensure AI implementation adheres to organizational standards and best practices. By following this roadmap, Organizations can effectively define and achieve primary objectives for implementing AI in their operations, establish KPIs to measure success, and ensure operational excellence.